Today's video, we are going to be decorating for Christmas. I feel like I'm a little behind compared to like other YouTubers, but I do want to get this up. I want to decorate. I love decorating for Christmas. I love this time of year. So one thing I do want to say is that I'm going to keep things pretty minimal for a few reasons. Obviously, I have a toddler. She's 15 months and she's going to want to grab everything. And then at the same time, it's just honestly hard to keep things clean and tidy at all times. So I feel like with all the extra clutter and everything, it's just gonna drive me crazy. So as much as I thought that I was gonna go crazy with the decor as soon as she became a toddler, I feel like it's kind of quite the opposite. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing. I don't know. That's what we're going for. The focal point is gonna be the tree. So hopefully you guys enjoy decorating the tree and everything. Meadow's actually taking a nap right now. I guess we'll see, maybe she'll help a little bit when she wakes up. First things first, we're gonna clean because I want things to be clean before I bring everything in, and we're gonna make ourselves a coffee so we have all the energy. Oh, and turn on some Christmas music.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Okay, I realized that I didn't show you guys the finished tree, but this is what it looks like. It's the same idea, concept, look as last year. I added the pampas grass. So these I actually had in my little vase here. So I just took them out and then stuck them in. It's the same ones that I used last year, and then I keep them as home decor throughout the year. So that was super easy. Oh, and then I always get questions about where I get my pampas, and I get them from literally local fields. I just go and cut them off. There's some fields with a ton, like hundreds and thousands of pampas. So they're like in neighborhoods, they're all around here. So it just kind of depends on where you live. And then I did the green ribbon, I did the little wooden beads. The ornaments I kept so minimal. I do wish that I would have added more, or that I had more that kind of matched this green vibe. But the ones that I did have were glass, and I don't think you can tell in the sped up version, but one of them fell and cracked on the floor. So I was like, yeah, there is no way I could do glass in this house with a toddler. We are keeping things very, very minimal with the bulb ornaments. But then I also did these little pom-poms that I thought were kind of cute. And yeah, that's everything as far as the tree. Oh, the tree skirt I got from Bed Bath & Beyond last year. I really like that as well. Someone's awake a little early, but we have the tree up. We didn't finish decorating everything. What is it? It's a Christmas tree.
It's a Christmas tree. Wow.
Okay, we can't touch it, okay? No touching the tree. We only look at it. Oh, she's more concerned with the bin.
Meadow, there's a tree just sprouted in the freaking living room. Watch this, Meadow.
Oh yeah, you're gonna love this.
You ready, Meadow?
Look at the tree. Look at the tree.
2, 3. Whoa!
It's on.
Christmas!
You like it? She's gonna want to do it.
Merry Christmas! Here, let's get closer.
Okay, no touching, remember? No touching the tree.
I know we took off your corner. Wow.
You like it?
Do you like it? You do?
Oh, yeah.
Wow. We don't touch it, okay? No, it's gonna be super hard, but we're gonna try your hardest.
Good morning. We're starting the rest of the vlog here. I didn't get to finish last night, but the tree does look super cute. Meadows just over here playing with her stroller and her little keyboard. We're about to head out to the farmer's market, so I thought I could bring you guys along. Look at her. Wow, that was beautiful. You are so good at that. Oh, and you got your slothy. So yeah, we still, the table's a mess. Still got to put that away. There's still a lot of cleaning and decorating to do, but let's go to the farmer's market right now. Oh, she found her binky. It's for sleeping. Are you going to sleep right now? Are you going to sleep right now? Yeah. You're not going to sleep right now, silly.
What if the world had more?
I made myself another cup of coffee because my last one got cold. But look how cute this is that I got from the farmer's market. I got a ton of berries and just like organic produce, but then I also got this from one of the little shops. I wish, like, when it, there you go. When it rolls or when she pulls it, its little legs go up. Is that not the cutest thing? And they said that they hand make them, like the husband there has like a wood shop, so I thought that was so cute. Then I got an Amazon package at the door. I thought I could open it with you guys. What is this? Meadow's been really into stuffed animals, and this one's supposed to have music and lights, and she's been into like touching and turning on lights and all that, so I thought this would be the perfect little stuffed animal for her. It's soft and cute, but I think it's broken. I don't think I'm supposed to do my own batteries, am I? Oh, okay, wait, there is a battery pack. I'll do that later if I have extra time because I really want to finish cleaning and finish decorating. I feel like this is every mom and just everyone in general. I cleaned up, not like spotless yesterday, but I did pick everything up, and then today it looks like a disaster already. No progress was made. Like, what happened here? And this is exactly why I'm doing things so like minimal this year, because I took out those two trees, which are not gonna go there, but it already looks so cluttered and like just so much going on. So the Christmas tree is like the focal point, like I said, and then we're just gonna add a few little touches here and there. Okay, this guy is up. We had him up here last year. It's just this like empty wall with empty space, so it's perfectly there. And our high chair's right there.
Dreaming of you. 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 I'm dreaming of you. What if the world had more of yours?
Okay, I added this little gnome guy, and I did keep the little cotton plant decor piece just because I really like the way it looks. I feel like it looks holiday and festive. And really pretty, so I'm keeping that. I added the gnome. I think it looks so cute, and normally I do like to do something pretty like festive, and I like to go all out for my table setting, but this year Meadow is tall enough where she actually like reaches her little hands over here and grabs whatever's there, and she's really like, honestly, for only being 15 months, she's a really good listener. Like, you guys saw the trees up, and we told her not to touch anything. Obviously, she did try touching it a few times, but for the most part, she's been really good. And every time she walks over by it, it's the cutest thing because she wants to go touch it, and she's like walking towards it, and she looks back at us like, am I allowed to? And we are looking at her like, no, no, no. And she walks away from it. So she's been really good. I know it's only been one day, but I feel like, I hope it stays that way, and I hope it just only gets better and she's becomes a good listener. But as far as the table, I already know, since she can't see and she doesn't know what she's not allowed to touch, I feel like her curiosity is just gonna be too much, so she's gonna wanna pull down whatever she sees. Okay, the silly girl's awake. We're gonna show her her new, her new present. What do you say? You say thank you. Look, you want me to show you how to do it? You push the little feet on it. Look, right here.
Roll, roll, roll your boats gently.
it's hard to get over. You chose someone else, a new best friend.
Okay, little marshmallow's ready. She's about to crash. Okay, this outfit is funny and I don't feel like changing it. That's not what I thought it was gonna look like. I don't know if it's just too big. She just looks like a little marshmallow, but I guess it's comfy, cozy, whatever, it works. For myself, I'm also comfy and cozy. I don't think, did I explain what my outfit was earlier? It was similar, but these joggers are Nike joggers. I love my little like cheapy, super affordable joggers that I get from like H&M or Boohoo or so many different places, and they're like always like under 20 bucks. These ones were under 50, I believe, so I'll link them down below. They are obviously a little bit more of an investment, but they're still not gonna totally break the bank. I just love the color of them. And then this little hoodie is from Zara. And then the flannel I will link below as well. So that's the outfit. It's a little chilly out. I think I'll be good though. And then me and Meadow both have our little matching Nikes. So we're actually gonna head out to get groceries. I have like a Whole Foods pickup because all the fruit that I got, literally like half of it is gone now. Meadow eats so much fruit and I love fruit too. So we both kind of pick at it all day. But yeah, we're gonna head out, get some groceries, get a few things, walk around, get some fresh air. Meadow loves her stroller now. It's the cutest thing. So yeah, let's go. She didn't want me to push her. She wants to push the car herself. Good job. Look, you're gonna crash. Turn it. Uh-oh, you crashed. You need help? Please? Oh, careful. Sorry. Okay, good job.
I need to tell you, you were my best friend to the end.
Okay, we made it back home. That was a little eventful. Luckily, Weston met up with us, which was a huge help because she ended up having a blowout. The last time she had a blowout, she must have been like 4 or 5 months. I don't know. She was little, so I don't carry extra clothes with me. I don't even take a diaper bag with me. Like, I take nothing with me. We do have diapers in the trunk, but I don't take like an extra set of clothes, if you get what I'm saying. So what I did, if she had a blowout, was luckily I had a jacket in the car. Let me show you what she looks like. We had this jacket in the car, and I mean, we ended up leaving. I changed her. Daddy's on his way home right now, okay? So I just changed her into this jacket so she wouldn't be cold because it was cold outside. Obviously she didn't walk around outside, but just to like put her in the car seat, I put her in this jacket, and then there was no pants in the car. So this is how she drove home.